got ourselves a rechargeable torch. This one here is 2000 lumiums. What it does is you can recharge from a phone or a normal USB point, which I'll just show you in here. So there's a little point in there for a mini USB and then your large one. So it's pretty cool that you can charge it from a lot of different devices. Just have a look in here, and it just shows you some different settings that you do have. And it shows you the time that it'll last. It's also got 195 meters on that direct light, which is pretty cool. It's got a bit of water resistance, and it's a drop proof from a meter. And you'll see here your different functions. So you've got spot and cob. Cob stands for chip on board, which is pretty cool. It's a blanket of light, not a direct light. Then you've got here a spotlight, the low spotlight, and then you've got your cob flood. So we're going to take you out into the dark and actually show you how it performs. All right, now we're going to test the torch and just see how it is. Right, the first one that I do click on, it'll be spot and cob. So you'll see it gets a bit of everything. You'll see there, we can look down the side of the house. Now it's going to be the beam. That's just your beam direct. This is your beam or spot on low. And now you've got that there now is your flood or your cob, where it just blankets as much as possible, opens up and puts a nice light over the whole area. That's why they call it flood. It's a bit of a floodlight. Go through it one more nice and quick. Right, so there's your spot and cob together. Your direct light on power save, half mid, and then your flood. Looks pretty good. You're going to be able to see whatever we want to see when we're out in the bush. We're going to take this camping this weekend. We're going to look forward to it.